Berlin. Welcome to Berlin, a city that breathes history, pulsates with creativity, and invites you on a journey through its iconic landmarks and vibrant neighborhoods. In this video, we'll immerse ourselves in the heart of Germany's capital, exploring its diverse architecture, delving into its rich history, experiencing the eclectic culture, and uncovering the unique stories that shape this dynamic metropolis. From the remnants of the Berlin Wall to the trendy streets of Kreuzberg, join us as we discover the many facets of Berlin, a city that seamlessly blends its storied past with a modern, cosmopolitan flair. Let's dive into the energy, art, and soul of Berlin, a city that never fails to captivate those who walk its streets. Get ready for an unforgettable journey through the beating heart of Germany. Welcome to Berlin. Join us on an immersive adventure through the captivating streets of Berlin, a city where every corner tells a tale of resilience, transformation, and cultural richness. Our journey begins at the iconic Brandenburg Gate, the symbol of unity and peace. As we walk through its historical arches, we'll step into the heart of Berlin's past and present. Day 1. Unveiling Berlin's icons. Our first day takes us on a stroll from the grandeur of the Brandenburg Gate to the majestic Berlin Cathedral. Witness the city from new heights as we ascend the dome of the German Bundestag, offering breathtaking views of the urban landscape. A relaxing interlude awaits at the Tiergarten, Berlin's sprawling green oasis, before delving into the poignant history at the Holocaust Memorial and the Berliner Dom. Day 2. Art and Culture Expedition. Berlin, a hub of artistic expression, beckons us on the second day. Explore the Museum Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where ancient civilizations come to life through artifacts and masterpieces. From the Nefertiti bust to the Old National Gallery, each museum holds a piece of Berlin's cultural tapestry. After a morning of exploration, indulge in local cuisine at Nikolaiviertel, a charming district housing Berlin's oldest church. Continue your journey through time in Alexanderplatz, home to the iconic Fernsehturm and the remnants of the Berlin Wall. Learn about the city's resilience during pivotal moments, and soak in the atmosphere that once witnessed historic events like the fall of the wall. Day 3. Tracing Berlin's recent history. Our final day unfolds along the East Side Gallery, a vibrant testament to unity and artistic expression. Stroll along Mühlenstrasse, where the Berlin Wall comes alive with murals and graffiti. Explore Kreuzberg, a district that transitioned from alternative enclaves to a multicultural hub, where the past blends seamlessly with the present. As our journey draws to a close, visit Charlie's Checkpoint, a poignant reminder of the city's Cold War history. Potsdamer Platz beckons in the evening, a symbol of Berlin's modernity with the dazzling Sony Center and its ever-changing glass dome. Join us as we unravel Berlin's stories, from its architectural wonders to its resilient spirit, in a video that captures the essence of this dynamic city. Nightlife in Berlin. When the sun sets, Berlin transforms into a pulsating kaleidoscope of lights, beats, and boundless energy. Join us as we dive into the eclectic nightlife that defines the spirit of this city. Berlin, renowned for its avant-garde and diverse nocturnal scene, offers an experience like no other. 1. Techno titans and hidden gems. Berlin's nightlife is synonymous with techno, and our journey begins in the world-famous Berghain, an industrial temple of electronic music. Experience the heart-thumping beats and immersive atmosphere that have made it an international icon. For those seeking a more intimate vibe, we'll explore the hidden gems tucked away in the labyrinthine streets of Kreuzberg and Friedrichshain. 2. Kreuzberg, bohemian vibes and late-night eateries. Kreuzberg comes alive at night with its bohemian soul. Join us as we wander through its graffiti-clad streets, discovering underground bars, jazz clubs, and quirky venues. Indulge in the vibrant street food scene, with late-night kebabs and currywurst to fuel your nocturnal adventure. 3. Pub crawls and local haunts. Embark on a pub crawl through Prenzlauer Berg, where historic pubs and trendy bars coexist. Engage with locals, taste craft beers, and immerse yourself in the authentic Berlin pub culture. We'll also explore the alternative scene in Friedrichshain, where converted warehouses host pop-up parties, art installations, and a celebration of diversity. 4. Electro swing and cabaret extravaganza. For a taste of the retro-futuristic, swing by one of Berlin's electro swing clubs. Immerse yourself in an era-blending dance experience where vintage meets electronic. Alternatively, delve into the city's cabaret scene, with performances that echo the avant-garde spirit of the Weimar Republic. 5. Late-night river spree cruise. As the night deepens, we'll embark on a river spree cruise, gliding past Berlin's illuminated landmarks. Feel the city's heartbeat as you dance under the stars on a boat-turned-floating nightclub. The cruise offers a unique perspective of Berlin's skyline, blending the city's history with its dynamic present. Whether you're into techno marathons, intimate jazz sessions, or avant-garde cabaret, Berlin's nightlife has something for every nocturnal adventurer. Join us as we uncover the rhythm, the energy, and the unparalleled diversity of Berlin after dark. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world's most vibrant cities. As our journey through Berlin's electrifying nightlife comes to an end, we hope you've enjoyed this immersive experience into the beating heart of the city after dark. If the rhythm of Berlin has captivated you, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button. Your support means the world to us. Did you discover a new favorite spot or have a Berlin nightlife story to share? We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below, and let's keep the conversation going. For more exhilarating travel adventures and city explorations, be sure to subscribe to Travel Together. Join our community for future rendezvous with the world's most exciting destinations. Until then, stay curious, keep exploring, and we'll catch you in the next video. Safe travels and gute Nacht.